Let's cut this emo-inspired shag haircut. We're going to start by sectioning out the front and the back, and you can do this by taking vertical partings from around the high point of the head just to in front of the ear. You can adjust this based on your guest's density or how much layering they actually want. Separate a fringe section in the front, and then take a small section in the middle of that and use that to set the length guide. Use that guideline to then use diagonal angles and cut framing that works around the face. It should hit around the eyes. Then you're going to use the longest point from that guideline and start over-directing sections to the front. Cut a vertical line. This is going to remove some length in the front as well as frame the face really heavily, so it's going to create a lot of layers and a lot of texture right in the front of the face. Repeat on the other side, and once you've completed your guide, you're going to over-direct the remaining side sections to that front stationary guideline. Remist with Kenra Platinum Pearl Detangler to ensure even saturation, then separate the nape section. Release the top and then cut using a guideline from around the top of the ear that came from the front sections. Comb out and then release your nape section for that disconnect. Adjust the length to your desired length. Then I'm going to add Kenra Volume Mousse Extra and some of the Luxe Shine Oil to create this really beautiful textured finish. Let me know if you had this haircut in the past and what else you want to learn. Thanks.